Hello, I'm Jordan, and this is my bike check right now. This is my bike I ride now because my other bike is broken, and I'm getting a new bike, and I'll give you updates on that too. So here it is, my bike. All right, I'm gonna start off with the top. These are Schwinn grips. They've held it up really good so far, except for like this. When I tried to put them, I think I did. I kind of just like broke this, so it's like peeling right there. Well, anyways, yeah, Schwinn grips. The bars are 6-inch lift. I think the width is like 20 inches. And I'm running it 18-inch wheel here. This is Accent wheels, and the frame is original frame. See, it's a little beat, but the frame, I have a A&R design frame. It's pretty light. The stem and pedals I haven't really changed yet. Ugh, these are dirty. Well, it's kind of raining outside, so it's dirty. And so let's move to the seat here. I have a nice seat so far. It's really soft. I've had it for all my bikes. It's been on all my bikes at least once. And so bring it over here. We got pretty big sprocket for the small bike. Like I said, it's an 18-inch top tube. And in the back, I had to get a new wheel because it kind of popped, so I got a Grafiti design on my wheel now. So it's my new wheel. And the rims are this one. I think it's like I forgot what I got this off. It came with an original Diamondback, so it's light. And this is a Odyssey one, but I just took everything off and replaced it all. It's kind of ripped off though. And yeah, my stems are original, pedals original. My headset. I got original A&R headsets. They come with it. It's really pretty cool, actually. I like them. Nothing's broke on me yet except for the back tire, because I put a lot of pressure on it. But yes, this is my seat. It's, I believe, actually a Huffy seat, but they work. It's like my favorite seat. My GT seat is like, I was gonna put it on this, but I put it on my Diamondback. And before I go, I'll give you guys like a sound right now. Okay, hold on. Give you a sound on it. Yeah. So, yep. This is my bike.